Today we will be discussing thread pitch. Thread pitch identifies the makeup of a nut or bolt in terms of the diameter of the shaft or diameter of the internal hole, as well as how many threads per inch there are. Threads per inch is also referred to as TPI. All thread pitch are identified the same in English inch unit of measure. These are set fastener dimensions that are used by everyone within the United States and even some other places around the world. Threads equal to and larger than a quarter inch in diameter are expressed as fractional major diameter and TPI, which is threads per inch, separated by a dash. A .250 diameter thread with 20 threads per inch is called out as quarter 20. All diameters quarter inch and larger have 2 thread pitches. Each diameter has both coarse, known as UNC, unified coarse threads, and fine, known as UNF, unified fine threads. Fine threads are threads that are closer together. Coarse threads are further apart. That said, a fine thread has more threads per inch. Inch threads under a quarter inch diameter do not necessarily correspond to any common fraction. Sizes must be memorized. All sizes have both coarse and fine, UNC or UNF, but for some the fine is very rare. Thread sizes may also be listed as number 4, number 6, number 8, and number 10. Notice in the table below there is a 2-digit designator corresponding to the inch thread pitch callouts. In some cases there is a C or F in the second digit. This stands for coarse or fine. In the case of a 5/16/18, this means the diameter of the fastener's external thread or internal hole is 5/16. There are 18 threads in 1 inch worth of threads. When converting a thread pitch to our part number format, 5/16/18 corresponds to 5C or 5 coarse. In the case of a quarter 20, this means the diameter of the fastener's external thread or internal hole is a quarter inch. If we measure 1 inch worth of threads, we would see there are 20 spirals in 1 inch. This corresponds to 4C in the part number format. Most other countries work off the metric system, and that has a whole nother set of thread pitch using the metric system. Today we are only going to touch on inch threads. The thread pitch on an internally threaded part and externally threaded part must be the same in order for the fasteners to mate to one another. That being said, the insert in the knob must also mate to the same size thread pitch in whatever it is going on. There is always a male and a female that come together in the world of fasteners. Knobs can be molded with both male and female inserts or male studs. Regardless if it is male or female, it has the same thread pitch callout.